Hello everyone, this is grade 6, module 5, lesson 17, problem sets. We'll take a look at question 1, and then I'm going to do all of question 2. So we'll look at parts of question 1. What the directions state here is it says name the shape and write an expression for surface area. Calculate the surface area of the figure. Assume each box on the grid paper represents 1 foot by 1 foot, feet squared. So I'm going to zoom in so we can write a bit in here so you can see it, and then when I zoom out it'll be a little smaller. So first thing I want to do is find my dimensions. And I see that this is 2. That's the measurement of this piece down below. And then I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a 2 by 4. This one is going to be a 4 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know this is 7, and that's 2 because those are the same. This is going to be 7, and that's going to be 4 because this rectangle is the same as this rectangle. And I know that this rectangle here, my 7 by 2, is the same as this one down here. And my 4 by 2 is the same as this one right here. So really, what I have is 4 times 2, which is right here, the whole thing, and another 4 times 2. And I'm going to put them in parentheses to show them, and I'll scribble them out as I get done with them. Then I have a 4 times 7, and that's still plus. That's one shape. And I have a second 4 by 7, or 7 by 4. And then I have 7 times 2, or 2 times 7. And then my last one, 7 times 2. So there's my expression right there. 4 times 2 plus 4 times 2 plus 4 times 7 plus 4 times 7 plus 7 times 2 plus 7 times 2. Now I'm going to multiply these out. And I see I have, that's 8 plus 8. That's 28, 28, 14, 14. So when I get this all set, I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 because I have 6 different faces. So I want to add all of that up and make sure that I'm using feet squared, and it's going to go right on that line. And then I also have to name this shape, and I know it's a prism because I don't have any triangles meeting at a vertex. So it's a prism, and I have a rectangle there, so it's going to be a rectangular prism. That's the name of my shape. And then my expression is right in here, and I started solving it out, but I didn't quite finish it. Now we're going to take a look over here at this one. This is, I see I have a rectangle for my base. So immediately I can do rectangular, and I see that all of them are going to be meeting at this point, the vertex, at the same vertex. So it's going to be a pyramid. So now I'm going to go in and label, and my base is 2 by 5. This is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like the height is. And again, for that, I'm going from the highest vertex, and I'm counting down. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight path from the highest point down to my base. This one will be 2, and that's going to be 4 because these two triangles are the same. And then the ones in blue up here are going to be the same. So I have 1, that should be 5 because it matches up with this. And then I'm going to count down. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So the height is 4. The only thing I have to remember is my formulas for area. For a quadrilateral, or for my rectangle there, it's length times width. For my triangle, it's 1/2 base times height. And that's where I'm going to get thrown off there, is my 1/2 base times height. So the first one I need to do is 2 times 5. And I'm going to add that to 1/2 2 times 4, and that's this one. And I'm going to rewrite that same exact statement because I need the second one. Then I'm going to add in my other 2 triangles. So this one, which is 1/2 5 times 4. And then I have to double that one, or rewrite that one again. So 1/2 times 5 times 4 for this one. So I should have 5 different parentheses with expressions in them, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's my expression. Now I need to solve this out and know that it's feet squared. So I'm going to solve these I'm going to put arrows out to the side because I'm running out of room. I can go out here, I guess. So this first one, 2 times 5, that's going to get me 10. And I'm going to plug it in. And there's my 5 spots. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got lines here to put them on. So my first one is 10. My second one, 1/2 2 times 4. I'm going to combine these to get 8, and then I got to take half of it. So half of 8 is 4. And I know that if I did this one, I got the same one right here. So I'm going to draw an arrow to that. And then my last one is 1/2 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20. And half of 20 is 10. So I'm going to get 10 there. And then this one is the same thing. So now I can add 10, 10, 10, 4, and 4. 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. 4, 38. And I'll even write it over here. And again, units, very important for this one. So that's our first 2 problems. And again, one I didn't quite finish. And you're seeing that I'm trying to get it so you can see all the work on there, but that's good. So let's take a look down at page And there's my explanation right there that I had underneath it. So that's our error. And it says the error is the person only added 9 square meters 5 times, and there are 6 faces on a cube, so you need to add 9 square meters 6 times. And what I'll do is I'm going to underline that 6 times. They only did it 5 times, so that's really the error. And you would get 54 square meters or meters squared. So that's 4, and that should help out with 3 and 5. So thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and good luck on your problem set.